Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can make a professional educational video with MS Word. Right? Dear friends, आज हम दिखाएंगे कि कैसे हम एक प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशनल वीडियो बना सकते हैं MS Word के हेल्प से. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले हम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वर्ड में चले जाएंगे. राइट? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वर्ड. राइट? और यहाँ पर हम इंसर्ट करेंगे कोई भी क्वेश्चन. राइट? यहाँ पर देखिए ये है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वर्ड. अगर हम इसको होम में टैप करते हैं देखिए मेरा रिबन आ गया. और यहाँ पर अगर इंसर्ट करेंगे तो हम इनसे कोई भी चीज़ हम यहाँ पे इंसर्ट करके यहाँ पर ला सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर हम इंसर्ट करेंगे कोई भी क्वेश्चन. हम यहाँ पर इंसर्ट करके उसको दिखाएंगे किस तरह से हम उसे पढ़ाते हैं. ठीक है. सबसे पहले हम एक फाइल लेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पर देखिए क्लास 7 चैप्टर 1 ये चैप्टर हम ले लेंगे और हम किस तरह से ये पीडीएफ का फॉर्म हम पढ़ाते हैं. यू कैन सी दिस इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट वे टू टीच ऑनलाइन. राइट? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और बहुत अच्छे तरह से हम पढ़ा सकते हैं. सपोज इसके लिए हमें एक पेन टैब चाहिए. देखिए हमारे ये जो पेन टैब है इसको हम एक्टिव करते हैं स्टार्ट इंकिंग. ठीक है. और यहाँ पर देखिए ये मेरे जो और भी बगल में है तो हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट इंकिंग कर सकते हैं. इंक कलर हम चूज़ कर सकते हैं. इंक कलर चूज़ करते हैं रेड. ठीक है. और यहाँ से करते हैं स्टार्ट इंकिंग. यहाँ से हम बहुत अच्छे तरह से एक वीडियो बना सकते हैं. राइट? अब देखिए यहाँ पर पेन टैब से हम लिख भी सकते हैं. सपोज दिस वन दैट वी आर taking a chapter that is integers. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. We have learned about whole numbers and integers in class 6. We have also learned about addition and subtraction of integers. Now we will learn about the property of integers. ठीक है. हम property के बारे में जानेंगे. Closure and addition. We have learned that sum of two whole numbers is again a whole number. For example, 17 plus 24 is equal to 41, which is again a whole number. We know that this property is known as the closure property for addition of the whole numbers. Let us see whether this property is true for integers or not. Following are the sum pairs of integers. Observe the following table and complete it. 17 plus 23 is 40. That is results in an integer. Minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7, and that is also an integer. Right? It is also an integer. You can see how you can write very comfortably. Minus 75 plus 18. Right? If we do it, that means you have to subtract 18 from 75. Right? 57. Therefore, it is minus 57, and you see that minus 57 is also an integer. We are using a pen tab to write on the screen. Right? Now, 19 plus minus 95 is minus 6. Plus 27 plus or minus 27 is equal to 0, and that is also result in an integer. Right? This is closure property, integer. Right? And the number one next one is minus 20 plus 0 is equal to minus 20, and that is also an integer. Right? And the minus 35 plus of minus 10 is equal to minus 45, and that is also an integer. And this is what we call it closure under addition. That is also an integer. In this way we can teach very efficiently, right, with the PDF of this figure. Right? What you observe is the sum of two integers always an integer. Do you find a pair of integers whose sum is not an integer? Since addition of integers gives integers, we say integers are closed under addition. In general, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. Right? Now you see the next one is closure under subtraction. Whether closure under subtraction is possible or not. Yes, you can see that integers are closed under subtraction also. Right? Let us see. 37 minus 9 is minus 2. 17 minus of minus 21. What is the value? You see here minus 17, and minus into minus is plus 21, and that is we are getting some plus 1 8 to plus 1 3 38. That means the value is 38, and it is also an integer. Therefore we are writing here as integer. right? The next one is minus 8 plus minus of minus 14, that is 6. Minus 21 minus of minus 10, that is we are getting minus 21. Minus into minus is plus, plus 10. That means you have to subtract 10 from 21. 1, 1, 11. And since this is greater, it is minus 11. You see, it is minus 11. That means it is also an integer. In this way, you can teach very efficiently. Here 32 minus or minus 17 is plus 32. That means you have to add 32 with 17 plus 17. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 49. Therefore, it is 49 and it is also an integer. You see, all these are comes to integer. Minus 18 plus 18 is 0 and that is also integer. It is also an integer. Right? Minus 29 minus 29, 0 is minus 29, that is also integer. That means when you subtract two integers, we are getting an integer. That means it is closer under subtraction, right? That means integers, we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. Now this is commutative property. Commutative property is what we call it as a plus b is equal to b plus a, right? We know that subtraction is not commutative for whole numbers. Is it commutative for integers? We conclude that subtraction is not. We conclude that subtraction is not commutative for integers, right? In this way we can find, that means we say that addition is commutative for integers, and here you see subtraction is. Now we are concluding that for any two integers a and b, we say that a plus b is equal to b plus a. We know that subtraction is not commutative for whole numbers. Is it commutative for integers? Let us find at least 5 different pairs of integers and check this. We conclude that subtraction is not commutative for integers, right? That is not same. Here is a 5. Here see that my 5 minus or minus 3, that is 8, right? And minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. These are not same. That we can say that integers, conclude that subtraction is not commutative for integers, right? And here what we got the previous one, that is this one, that if two integers, if a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Do the whole number satisfy the property? It is whole number. In this way we can teach very property. Associative property. The associative property a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. That is, this is in bracket first, and then one is a plus b plus c. Additive identity, we call additive 0 as additive identity. Here see minus 8 plus 0 is equal to minus 8, minus 23 plus 0 is equal to minus 23, 0 plus minus 59 is equal to minus 59. Right? If you can verify by adding 0 to any other 5 integers, for in general, for an integer a plus 0 is equal to 0a or 0 plus a, right? In this way we can teach very properly, right? You see we are teaching in this MS Word form, right? If you want to add something, you can insert anything here also. If you want to insert an image or picture or a clipboard, say suppose you want to insert a picture here, you can insert any picture as you like. Suppose we read a triangle, and insert a triangle can be easy, right? Here you see, you have to write insert, go to shape and take anything as you like. In the home page you will find that we can introduce anything as you like. We can insert anything or any insert chart also as you like. See, we are increasing the, we are inserting chart in this here. You see, we have inserted the chart here. You see this here. In this way we can do anything with these things, right? You see, this is the chart. In this way you can take anything as you like, right? If you want to insert something, other things you can also insert. If you want to insert table, you can also insert table, picture, clipboard, anything as you like in this. This is very. Or you can take equation also. Suppose this one, if you want to take any symbol, you can take a symbol also from here. Here you see, these are the various symbols you can use. Suppose this is a telephone, you can tap on telephone and insert it, it will come. Insert. Or you can take anything as you like, right? In this way, you can take anything as you like, chart or anything as you like, right? Or even you can ink also, right? If you want to write something here, you can write also with your pen tab, right? Here this is associative, that is associative property. You can write it also here, associative property, associative property. In this way, we can teach very properly with this pen tab and laptop. In this way, we teach and upload video for YouTube, right? This is the method. That means we can use the MS Word in a very efficient way to make any video, right? In this type of educational video, right? Now if you want to go to back, then you can write in this also on the chart also. You can explain, you see, you can explain in the chart also, or you can delete this also according to our need, right? In this way, we use this one, or you can type also here as according to your need, right? In this way, you can do whatever you like, right? Or you can teach in a very efficient way. In this way, you can use MS Word for making a very professional video with pen tab and computer or laptop, right? In this way, we can take anything or insert anything as you like, right? You can insert anything as you like. Suppose you want to insert something, other things, like you see in this is insert tab. You want some shape, go to shape there and take any shape also. We can take any shape, we can take pictures, messages as you like, and you can even write also on this chapter, right? In this way, we take various, and you see these are the various properties. This is the associative property, and the next one is additive property. 0 is the additive property, right? And here this is exercise 1.1, right? Here 1.1 we can take to another slide also. Suppose you want to take this slide, then go to snip to shaping tool, and if you want to cut this one, you go to cut this one from here to here. This is question number 1. You can cut it, right? And you can copy this one and go to anywhere as you write, right? Right, you to copy here and go to home, or you can paste also in any other, you can here, right? You can take any other files and paste it there also, right? Yes. Now suppose you want to any take new home, then go new file, blank document, create, and if you want to paste this one, you get this question here, right? Now you see we are getting more space here. Now exercise 1 point, now we can teach here also in this way, that exercise 1 point, we are teaching exercise 1.1 question number 1. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7, right? Suppose you want to take, and if you want to ink this one, you go to this one, this tab, you start inking, and now you can write with the pen tab, right? Here you see, write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Suppose we are taking two pairs, one is -3 and -7, -3 and -7, -3 and -7. If we add this one, there is -3 plus of -7, not -7, we have to take -3. Let us again doing this one, right? Sum is -7, that means you have to take -3 and -4, -3 and -4. We add this one, we'll get -7, -3 plus of -4. You can see how efficiently you can write here, and that is -3 plus into minus is -4, and that is coming to -7. Therefore, the pair of integers is -3 and -4, right? Question number B is, what did you find? Write down a pair of integers whose difference is -10. The difference is a minus b, that should be -10, right? Let us take my a as -3 and b as 7. Therefore, we are getting minus 3 minus of 7 is equal to minus 10. Right? And you see question of C, sum is 0. That means if you take sum as sum is 0. That means we can take it here. Sum is 0. That means we can take two integers. One is plus 5. Another one is minus 5. If we add this one plus 5 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 5, then you are getting plus 5 minus 5, and that comes to 0. Right? In this way you can teach in MS Word very easily and very effectively. Right? You want to add something here. If you want to insert something, you can insert also. Right? Suppose you want to insert this one, insert a table here. Go to table, right, and take the insert table here. Right? You can insert also any table as you like. So we go to insert. Right? This is table format and insert table. 5 and 2, it's okay, 5 and 2, and let us insert this one, and you see you are getting a table here. Right? In this way you can take anything as you like. You can insert a picture also here. You can go to insert, and you want to take any shape here also. You can take the shape also. Right? Suppose you want a square, rectangle, you can get the rectangle also. Right? In this way you can take anything as you wish. Right? In this way you can make a very important video. Right? Or you can take you can insert anything as you like. Insert a something other than that. You can insert a picture also here according to your need. If you want to add any picture, suppose you want to add this picture here, suppose this one and this one, and go to take this one and insert. See here, you're inserting the picture here, right? And you can explain about it very efficiently. In this way, you can explain in MS Word very easily. That means we can make a educational video in MS Word very easily and effectively, right? We don't need any other whiteboard or anything like that, right? And not only that, you can also change the various. You can crop also something if you want to crop this one, right? If you can want to crop this one, then you can crop also, right? These are the various tools you can use. Right? This is format. Go to format and you can format this also. You want to crop it, then you can also crop this one also according to your need. These are the various facility you are getting here. You see, we are making it small, or you can increase the size also. You can crop it also. Right? In this way you can make whatever you like and whatever you can do with anything. So if you want to explain a figure, explain a picture, then go to anything. Suppose we are going to clipboard, right, and introduce a picture from here. Suppose we want to take computers, then go to computers, and you can see all the figures of pictures of computer, and you can take any computer from here and insert it on your slide. Suppose you want to take this picture, now it is searching. In this way you can make a very important educational video. Suppose you want to this one, you see we have got this one, right? Or you can take any picture as you like. Suppose you want to this generic computers, this is a generic computer you can use here and explain it according to need, right? In this way you can take any pictures from this one and take an educational video effectively, right, with MS Word. In this way we can teach the video very effectively, right? Or you can take the drawing tools also according to your need. These are the various types of computers you find here. You can take any computers and insert it here, and you can use it or explain it according to your need, right? In this way you can do whatever you like. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you.